Hey guys, welcome to G-Force. Today I'm introducing our newest transmission adapter. So you might know us for other transmission adapters, and this is just one more added to that lineup. So this adapter allows you to bolt a Z33 or CD009 transmission to a K-series Honda engine. So it comes with a steel adapter plate that is powder coated for durability, and then it also comes with a nice custom flywheel. What's cool about this is it's a one-piece design, so the ring gear is integrated, and it has the crank pattern for the K-series engine and then the pressure plate pattern or clutch pattern for the CD009 Nissan transmission. So in addition to these two parts, it comes with a hardware kit and a pilot bushing adapter. So if you want to find out more about this kit, which is for a CD009 to K20 or K24 engine, or any of our other transmission adapters, check us out at crossmembers.com. Thanks for watching.